Let me
You
see
can.
as to how I will do
Yeah.
it. Yes, Sanjeev, I want this recording because this is a very valuable recording. So
Yeah,
hopefully
definitely. So give me maybe 20 minutes, half an hour.
yeah,
And then we'll maybe catch up on maybe Tuesday or Wednesday, something, and then we can move ahead. So by then you should be able to just nail down on your niche, and then we can.
ab-
So next call we'll maybe jump on like script.
perfect. Next call, I will be ready with my niche and
Okay.
do like absolute deep dive on this. And yeah, perfect. This is amazing. This is brilliant video. Thank you so much.
All good,
I
man. So I'll
know what
catch you
else.
next week.
Thank you so much. Thank you so much. Like nobody, Sanjeev talked about this level of detail. I saw so many videos on YouTube automation. Not one person talked about like, I'm mixing ideas like these and coming up with this. Nobody did it. This is
Yeah.
ridiculous.
Yeah,
Thank you so much.
exactly. All good. Yeah.